Chapter number 3, Data Retrieving Using Query. Option 1, blank is a huge collection of data. Answer A, database. 2, blank is the future of base which can be used to retrieve specific set of information from database. Answer B, query. 3, the user can retrieve data according to his blank irrespective of how it is stored in database. A, choice. B, criteria. C, format. Answer D, all of them. What is the reason behind uses database management system? Answer D, all of them. Fifth, blank basically means asking question, doing inquiry or performing analysis. Answer C, query. 6. In base 2, blank is to ask a question about the information in the database. Answer C, query. 7. What do you mean by query? Asking question, doing inquiry, performing analysis. Answer D, all of them. 8. Through a blank, one can tell base to display exactly which field are recorded a person would like to view from the database. Answer C, query. 9. Query is a set of blank for fetching information from a table or from several tables at once. Answer C, rules. 10. The result of a query is itself in the form of a blank. Answer A, table. 11. The result of query is in form of table which consists of a set of, answer D, A and B. Answer A, row, and a B, both. 12. If some query already created, then it will be listed under the pen title. Answer B, query. 13. Different way to create a query will be shown in the blank. Answer B, task pane. 14. How many ways are there to create a query in a base? Answer C, 3. 15. In base, which of the following options are available in task pane to create a query? Answer D, all of them. 16. In base, which view provide a minimal amount of guidance to create a query? Answer A, create a query in design view. 17. Base, a blank has the advantage of helping us to organize our workflow while requiring to previous knowledge. Answer B, query wizard. 18. How many steps are there to create a query using wizard? Answer B, 8. 19. What is the first step of query wizard? A. Answer A, field selection. 20. In query wizard, which step field is selected? Answer A, first. 21. In query wizard, which button is used to move the field from available field list box to field in the query list box? Answer A, left and right arrow. 22. Field in the query list box can be arranged in the required order by using the blank button. Answer B, up and down. 23. Which of the following helps in identifying the field that is to be displayed in the output? Answer A, field selection. 24. What is second step of query wizard? Answer B, sorting order. 25. Base allowed to select up to blank field for deciding the sorting order of the output. Answer D, 4. 26. What is the third step of query wizard? Answer B, search condition. 27. How many search conditions can be defined in one query while creating query using a query wizard? Answer C, 3. 28. In which step we have to select appropriate value of field, the condition and value parameter? Answer C, 3rd. 29. If multiple such conditions are to be set, like last name may be Shah or Patel, then choose. Answer B. Match any of the following. 13. What is the seventh step in a query wizard? Answer D. Aliases. 31. What is the purpose of the seventh step? Answer A. Display the field in human readable form. 32. In the step, base expect aliases for selected field name. Answer C. 7th. 33. In query wizard, blank allowed space between words and writing full form of the short field name. Answer A. Alias. 34. In query wizard, the step of aliases is answer A. Optional. 35. Which step is compulsory in a query wizard? Answer A. Field selection. 36. In which step desired name can be assigned to a query? Answer D. 8. 37. Once the query is created, the only way to make a changes is through the blank design view. 38. What is the eighth step of query wizard? Answer D. Overview. 39. Which option is selected in eighth step of query wizard to view the query result immediately? Answer A. Display query. 14. Which option is selected in eighth step of query wizard to open the design view? Answer B. Modify query. 41. What will be shown is the display query is selected in eighth step of query wizard. Answer A. Result of query. 42. The limitation of query wizard is allowing blank table to be selected. Answer A. Only one. 43. Which aggregate function allow to do sum of the required field? Answer B. Get the sum of. 42. Which step allow doing the grouping of required field? Answer C. 5th. 45. There is no limitation of including multiple blank in query design view. Answer A. Table. 46. In add table or query dialog box, which button is clicked to add table in query design view? Answer B. Add. The add table or query button available in toolbar A. Query design. 48. In query design view, there are row with heading. Answer D. All of them. 49. What is the limitation of creating a query using wizard? Answer A. Allow the single table to create a query. 15. Which dialog box will appear after clicking on create query in a design view? Answer C. Add table or query dialog box. Thanks for watching my video.